Hi guys, welcome back to another video on this channel. Today we're making a delicious and comforting roasted tomato pasta soup. For the roasted tomato sauce, we're going to need 560 grams tomatoes of choice, 25 grams of garlic, 2 tablespoons olive oil, and 2 teaspoons of salt. We will also need some Italian seasoning. We're going to need 450 grams of critaraki or similar shortcut pasta, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt to taste, and 1.5 tablespoons vegetable broth powder. We're also going to need 9 cups of water. We're going to start by making the roasted tomato sauce. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, then wash the tomatoes and cut them in half. Place them in a baking dish. Then peel the garlic and chop it roughly. Add it to the tomatoes. Now we're going to drizzle the olive oil on top and add the salt and Italian seasoning. Toss so they're evenly coated. Now bake for 30 to 35 minutes until they're lightly charred and the juices are bubbling up. Cool for 10 to 15 minutes, then transfer to a blender and blend until smooth. Add the 9 cups of water and powdered broth to a big pot, stir it, and bring it to a boil. Then we're going to add the olive oil, shortcut pasta, and tomato sauce and stir to combine. Lower the heat to low and bring the soup to a simmer. Cook until the broth has thickened and one can see little bubbles, about 20 minutes. Stir approximately every 5 minutes to make sure none of the critaraki sticks to the bottom of the pan. Add salt and pepper to taste. Enjoy!